Good morning everyone. Esteemed guests, respected teachers and my dear friends. Republic Day observed annually on January 26th is a quirinical national festival in India. Marking the day, the Constitution of India came into effect in 1950, making India a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. This event established the supreme law of the land, replacing the colonial government of Act 1935, cementing Government Act 1935, cementing 1935. They marked the anniversary of the Purna Swaraj, complete independence, declaration by the Indian National Congress in 1930. The heart of India's Republic Day celebration lies in the capital, New Delhi, where a spectacular parade takes place at Kattaviya Patch, formerly Rajapat. The President of India also a national flag, followed by a grand display of India's military state, naval power and air force. The parade also features vibrant tableaux from different states, showcasing India's rich cultural diversity, traditional folk dance and achievements in various sectors. Thanks to Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.